Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sahi and today we're going to be making Indian style butter chicken curry.
For this recipe, you'll be needing some tomato sauce, 1 pound of chicken pieces, half a yellow onion cut into pieces, and a few cinnamon sticks. For chicken marination, you'll be needing 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, and some salt and pepper. Needing 3 teaspoons garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 3 garlic cloves minced, and 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. Now add some tomato sauce and mix it with just a little bit of water. Now add half a cup of heavy cream. Cook for 5 minutes. Let's add our chicken. This dish is amazingly easy to make and is super yummy. Just pack it up in a bowl and it's going to be an amazing lunch. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more like this one. Bye!